Hey, this is Brenda Meller. I am so excited because I'm going to be joining you on May 1st at OCC for a Lunch and Learn event. Now, this event registration is required. It's free to attend, but you need to reserve your seat because we will sell out. The topic I'll be addressing is how to use LinkedIn and how to optimize your time and your efforts on LinkedIn. So what I'd like to encourage you to do is bring your phone with you because this will be a hands-on workshop. I'm going to show you a variety of different techniques on how to optimize your profile on LinkedIn. And what this means is when people visit your profile, we want to make sure that we're bringing them in with different language and key messages so that the right audience can find you and can learn more about you. I'll also be sharing with you a couple different techniques on how to connect with people more strategically, to build dialogue, and to further your networking efforts on LinkedIn. Again, May 1st, come on out and join us at OCC. And if you are planning to attend, I invite you to connect with me now on LinkedIn. Look up Brenda Meller, that's M-E-L-L-E-R. I look forward to seeing you there.